Yep.
Your arm getting tired?
It does, doesn't it?
Little guy.
Oh, he looks big.
Alright, now back him up towards the boat.
Oh, I can see him.
Okay, reel down, reel down.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, reel down, tilt him up. Okay, up. Got him.
Nice, buddy.
First king salmon.
Holy shit.
Oh, nice.
He is my best.
Wow.
Sure.
Nice job. Hey, bye.
Hey, man.
Here you go. Alright.
Dude, that's huge.
Hold on. Let me whack him. Will you take a photo for me?
Yeah. I'm doing video right now. You want to pick him up for the video and then I'll get your...
Holy shit. That's what, 20 pounds?
No. Probably 12.
Really?
I don't know.
Here, hold him up, Trevor. Let's see him. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.